So we're going to talk through accessory ligaments and articular discs within synovial joints. So let's start by looking at accessory ligaments. Now these play a really important role in maintaining the stability of synovial joints. Now these ligaments are bands of connective tissue that strengthen the joint, reinforcing it against abnormal movements. Now they can be classified into two main types. So the first one is extracapsular ligaments. Now these ligaments are located outside the joint capsule. They provide additional external support to prevent dislocations and limit certain movements. Now examples of these include the medial collateral ligament, also known as the MCL, and the lateral collateral ligament, also known as the LCL of the knee joint, which prevents excessive sideways movement. We then have intercapsular ligaments. Now these ligaments are found within the joint capsule, but they are not inside the synovial cavity itself. They help stabilize the joint from the inside. So an example of this is the anterior cruciate ligament, also known as the ACL in the knee, which prevents forward movement of the tibia relative to the femur, helping to maintain proper joint alignment. So let's look at articular discs. They're also known as meniscus or menisci, referring to certain joints. And they're pads of fiber cartilage that sit between the articulating bones with some synovial joints. And they have several important functions. Number one is shock absorption. So these articular discs help to absorb impact and distribute forces evenly across the joint. This is really important in joints that bear weight, such as the knees. Number two is joint stability. So the discs improve the fit between the articulating surfaces of bone, providing increased stability. So for example, in the knee joint, the medial and lateral menisci improve the contact between the femur and tibia. They facilitate smooth movement. So the presence of an articular disc helps in reducing wear and tear by ensuring smooth movements between bones. Now in the TMJ joint, which is found within the jaw, the articular disc helps the jaw move smoothly during chewing and speaking.